What do you know? I got to do the same thing I did yesterday again. This was a fun one. It was a stairway. And I had to fish in there to grab the wire. And I had to use the guide wire and this hook to grab it through here.
You still see it, huh? You kind of see some watermarks at the very top.
And there we go again. And here we go. Perfect. Not easy one-handed. We'll go right here with it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Oh, it's crooked. Pop that. Straight. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. There we go. Test it. It's gonna be good. That's kind of how Ring Security works. And it's even easier in the app. You just pull those tabs in the app and they all activate.